Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we'll be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Um, Everyone, make sure that you go to sazanalytica.com to join the Discord channel. You can get access to all kinds of things in there, including the trade competition chat and VIP. And we are in a trade competition right now, and hope you can join. It's been a lot of fun. So you'll get access to the exclusive Discord channel, and of course, in there you can also check out the VIP where we have a lot to offer, which we'll get into more in the future. So, talking about some Bitcoin price action right now, um, we did have our move to the upside. Did not clear a yearly high. 38.3. 8.2 appears to be the high, and let's see here. We tried to top that out a few times, but each time we've come a little bit lower. So we're starting to drag our feet a little bit on this run. And we did reject a lower low. Over here you could see that we did spill, but in our recovery we've had a sequence of higher lows. So that's probably what we're dealing with right now in this consolidation, is a lot of people thinking that we're going to break out and move a lot higher. What's to the upside that's holding us back right now? Well, we have our first wall at 38.5, 400 pack, and then we got another 400 pack at 40K. So those are the two things that are looking to be some of our stiffest opposition to the upside. Leading in front of that, you have a lot of people that are probably trading, selling, expecting these to hold. So that's why we have so much resistance right now and no signals. Over the course of this run, we've also had an increasing bid-ask spread for aggregated spot markets, flipped out of a ask dominance, a bearish setup here, into a bullish setup, and now we're dealing with the dual band confluence. You can see aggregated perpetual markets have been consistently green, so and a pretty wide bid-ask spread now, both in favor of the bulls. So things are looking pretty good right now for a move to the upside. I am still currently short, but I think it will pay out at least for a move back down to this 37.6 mid 37 range area, where we'll just have to see what happens. By then we'll probably run through a lot of this liquidity to the downside. Buyers are stacking the book, but based on how many sellers are chasing the book, we might be left with some decent buy signals down here, where we have some triple digit buy walls, even as high as 200, but nothing really as big as this 400 pack. So I think we could get some signals in the lower 37k range, but for now I'm expecting us to come back and test this 37.6 range. Now looking at the daily, we have let me open up my moving averages here. Our 50-day moving average cutting in pretty close now, currently sitting at 33,000, so we definitely have support down there. All moving averages angled up, pretty good. RSI still in the bull zone, greater than 50, and neutralized quite a bit. Even though we're going high, we did neutralize a good bit. So I think for us to pop into this overbought territory wouldn't be such a sin. We did spend a couple of weeks there, and pullback wasn't so terrible. In fact, our pullback in price wasn't bad. Our pullback on the RSI was pretty decent. I don't even think we've really moved down that much. We just got some red candles in the mix. So the daily's looking pretty good as well. Now we do have a CME gap, but it's been filling over the course of the past few hours. Now it's very small. So this could easily fill probably before anyone, probably the next few hours. And you can see CME gap does have a bit of contango. We hit a high of 39.2. Our yearly high on CME is 39,360, so we have around a 2% contango, but that's nothing really to worry about too much. Contango of 2% is actually pretty common. Depends on the contract expiration date, but 2% is pretty common. 4 to 6% is where things start getting a little out of hand. So just to talk about the trade a little bit, I'm currently in a 125k short, and sitting right on top of my break even here. Average entry is as you can see 38.099. We're currently at 38.111, so we're 125k short right now. I don't have a stop in just yet, but because I've been sitting at my computer and I will play mental stops first. My mental stop would be, to worry if we break this high. But the thing is, our previous high wasn't broken by much. Let's say our yearly high break was over here with a 37,980. Yeah, it was the $8 break, and then 38,414. So we're not talking anything too significant here. I'm not going to bet that another yearly breakout, another yearly high is going to lead to a stiff breakout. So I'm pondering this high as an area where I really want to observe the order book and see what kind of trades go through the trade history, what kind of size we get, 20 packs, 10 packs. If we get it at the beginning, it could mean something big. It could also mean, if we pump there right now and we start getting big orders, then it could very well mean that a lot of people are buying a top. So I'm cautiously optimistic, long term about a 40K break in December. But right now I'm taking the short because I don't think we're ready to puncture that price point just yet. All right, everyone. So have a great day where you are. Much love to you all, and I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Again, be sure to join that sazanalytica.com. Join the Discord channel. I spend a lot of time in there in the group chats, the voice chats. We hang out, have a great time. Join the trade competition. There's a lot of great education in a trade competition, learning how to trade under pressure. It'll help you when you're, just day-to-day trading. So yeah, there's a lot of value to that. So I encourage you guys to join the competition, join on my team, click the link below the video to register your account and join the Discord channel to find out more about how specifically to get on my trade team, and we'll be doing a lot of trade competitions in the future. So I look forward to seeing you all there. All right, everyone, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. All right, take care. Bye.